Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 9 on VMware Workstation. Open browser and then go to AlmaLinux official website, that is almalinux.org. Click on download or click on this download. See here we have different architectures. Click on Intel or AMD, then click on CD or DVD logo. See, we have AlmaLinux 9 and AlmaLinux 8. Here we have AlmaLinux DVD ISO, boot ISO and minimal ISO. See here the definitions of DVD, boot and minimal. So it is better to download if you have enough or good internet. Otherwise download this boot ISO image. So in my case I am downloading DVD ISO. Click on it. Once we clicked on, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 8.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded AlmaLinux 9.2. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation, go to the link provided in the video description and install the VMware Workstation player. It is free of cost, no need to pay. So open VMware Workstation player. Maximize this one. I have these virtual machines. Click on create new virtual machine. Click on this install disk image file. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded AlmaLinux OS DVD ISO file. Then click on next. Here select AlmaLinux is there or not. But see, we don't have AlmaLinux in the drop down list. So select Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 and 64-bit. Then click on next. Here provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving name as AlmaLinux OS 9 and this is the location for the virtual machine. I am changing it to my local drive, that is C drive. In that create a directory. I am giving Alma. I am giving same name as Alma Linux OS 9. Click on OK. See, I'm going to copy all the virtual machine files and folders into this location. Click on next. Here we have to provide disk size. I'm giving 40 gigabytes. You can provide the size as you required. Click on next. See, by default it has selected memory 2 gigabytes. I'm changing it to by clicking on this customize hardware. Use this pointer and drag up to 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Click on finish. See, new virtual machine added. So now click on this play virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first option, that is install AlmaLinux 9. And hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Click on install destination and select the default one. Then click on root password. Then provide the password of root user. You have to remember this password. Click on done. See, now we are able to click on this one. If you want to select the software selection, you have to click on this one. I am going with server with GUI. Click on done. If you want to change the installation source, you have to click on. If you like that, if you want to set the time and date, you have to click on here. I am okay with the default ones. If you are okay with all these settings, click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This may take time. See, installation completed successfully. Click on Reboot System. In the setup console, click on Start Setup. If you want to enable local services, you have to keep this as it is. Otherwise, off this one, click on Next. Skip this one. Now create a user. I am giving username as R2 Schools. Full name also the same. Click on Next. Provide the password for this user. Then click on Next. All done. Click on Start using AlmaLinux. Now thanks. Open terminal. Double click on this one. Again double click on this one. Now verify whether this is AlmaLinux 9 or not. Before that, I am increasing font size. More /etc OS-release. See, we have installed AlmaLinux and its version is 9.2. If you want to check IP of this machine, ifconfig. See, this is the IP of this machine and this is the host name. You can also verify host name. Type host name. See, this is the host name. We can change this host name. Ctrl L to clear screen. So, in this video, we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 9 on VMWare Workstation. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.